Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change phone number in Amazon. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Amazon application on your Android device, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Amazon login ID and password. Here at the home page of Amazon, you can see the profile icon on bottom of your screen. You tap on it. Inside your profile, little down, you can see the option of your account. Just beside of this, you can see option of see all. You need to tap on it. Here inside the account settings, you can see the first option login and security. You tap on it. There you will see the option of mobile phone number. Beside of it, you can see edit. You tap on it. To change the mobile phone number in Amazon, first of all, you need to choose the country. Then you go in for providing your mobile number. Then you need to tap on continue. Now here you need to verify your phone number. For that, Amazon will send a verification code in your new phone number. You tap on OK. Now here you need to wait for the OTP, that is one-time password sent to your new phone number by the Amazon. As I have already received the OTP, now here you enter the OTP. Then you need to tap on verify. Now to confirm the new phone number, you just need to provide your Amazon password. Then you need to tap on save changes. As you can see, the new mobile number has been updated. That is, you have changed your phone number in Amazon. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change mobile phone number in Amazon. Thank you.